Guys, Facebook ads are super easy. Don't overcomplicate it, don't overthink it. So it starts with your campaign, creating a new campaign. And in fact, we can do one real quick. Basically, a campaign is your overall goal. You're like, hey, Facebook, I want calls. I want people to visit my website. I want leads. I want video views. What is the objective? Facebook is like, yo, I have a lot of people over here. What do you want? That's what you should change campaign name to. What do I want? Now that let's select one campaign, leads. And let's go here, easy. This is how fast you can do it, folks. You go here. So are you in any special categories? Are you selling housing and are you hiring? If you are, you have to select something. If you're not, just click next, easy as that. Now you're gonna say, okay, oh, we're at the ad set level. Now Facebook is saying, hey, I got a ton of people. You told me about your goal. Now tell me a little bit about the budget and tell me about a little bit about the people. So in the people, we may say something like, I want people that have a high school education only. I want them 21 to 25 years old, and I want them living in Houston, Texas. This is stuff that we can keep on narrowing down about whatever product or service you're offering, and then we can keep on going. Once we get there, then we can go into the budget. And you can go here like, oh, cost per go. You could say $5 a go, a lead or something like that. And let's just click next here. Now this is at the ad level. This is where actually we're gonna create our ads. So you may do a picture ad, video ads, of course, are doing much, much better. Whatever the case may be, and you're probably thinking, why is it set up like this? The reason why it's set up like this is for your benefit. Now, let's say for instance, we go back. Let's go back and we have everything set up and we're running a campaign. Here goes our campaigns right here in our ad sets. What if, let me just take this out. I got one selected for some reason here. I'm gonna take this out, and this out here. And I'm gonna say, give me this one, and I want this ad set. I wanna duplicate this ad set right here. I wanna duplicate it, and why do I wanna do? In my ad sets, I may have said 21 to 25. Oh, okay, so in our ad set, let's take one of these ad sets and just look at it real quick, okay? Let's take a look at the details of the people that I'm looking for. Okay, so lookalike audience, age list, Airbnb interested, 25 to 35. You see that age right there, right? You see the age. Now I want to come over here. Let's go back over here to the ad set, and I want to just duplicate that ad set. And just do one copy, or you can do 4 copies, doesn't matter. In fact, and just do one for now. Now here goes right here what I want to show you. I want to do, instead of 25 to 35, let's change one thing and let's say 21 to 25. Now, why is that important? The reason why is, and I'll just go publish that. And this is how cool it is. Now, every single ad that was in that ad set has been copied to a new ad set. So now you have here, let me show you, this is how easy it is, folks. Go back over here, and I come over here to online Airbnb. We go here, and so you see here the copy has been made already. Just rename that something that you can easily say, let's say 21 to 25, okay? Awesome, publish that. And you can just hit publish, and this is how easy it is. So now you have 2 different ad sets serving 2 different type of people. You got the 25 to 35 and 21 to 25. Now what's the advantageous about that is that now we have 2 different types of people and we can see which one performs better. We can we have all the same ads running, but now we say, oh, these is the age group, or this is the type of education, or this type of interest or behavior. So now we can see at a bird's eye view of what's happening. Okay, I hope you found this video valuable. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hit that thumbs up for me. Yes, you right there with the donut and the coffee. See you on the next one. Alan at firewireads.com. I really hope you liked that video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs, like, and notification bell, because I'm gonna be throwing tons of free marketing videos almost every single day. Now, there's a link below. It's gonna say Go High Level Firewire Ads. That son of a gun right there will give you a 2 free weeks, no credit card required, no free trial, then charging you No, if you like it, you're gonna love it. Then you get it. If not, don't worry about it. They cannot charge you. What it is a free all-in-one. Email, SMS, Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, Facebook ads, reporting. You know how we use MailChimp to sell all the emails out? We have it inside the tool. You don't have to pay for it. It's free inside the tool. As little as 97 bucks every month. And don't worry, they will not charge you because they don't have a credit card. So I hope you like it. Hit that little link. I'm telling you, it would change your life. It certainly changed my life. I'll see you guys on the next one, Alan at Firewire Ads. And if you don't want to do what's in the video, just hit us up at Firewire Ads or comment below. We can do all the stuff for you. See you on